In this video, we'll be telling about how to send voice message in WhatsApp. To send WhatsApp message, what you need to do is open WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, select the contact to which you want to send WhatsApp voice message. For example, I am selecting this contact. After selecting that contact, down here you can see one mic-like button. You should long press on this button. When you are long pressing, recording will be started. Here you can see how many seconds recording is completed. Say everything you want to say. After that, just leave this. When you are leaving that, message will be sent. And another thing is that if you are recording anything and if any mistake happens, in that case you may want to delete this message. To delete, what you need to do is you need to swipe to left. When you are swiping to left, it will be deleted. And another thing is that you don't want to hold it like this. If you want to lock this, above you can see one lock button. You should swipe to up. You can see lock button there. Just swipe it there. When you are swiping there, here you can see recording is continuing. You don't want to hold that button. After everything is completed, if you want to pause, you can pause this. After that, if you want to continue recording, you can continue recording also. So you can pause and record. Anyways, after that, if you want to delete this message, here you can see delete button, or if you want to send this message, just click on this send button and that message will be sent. And another thing is that in WhatsApp, if you want, you can send automatically deleting message. That means if that person is opening that message once, after that person is hearing that voice message, it will be automatically deleted. It will be not saved. To do that, what you need to do is, you need to click on this mic button. After holding, above you can see lock button. You need to lock this. After that, say whatever you want to say, and after that, click on this pause button. After that, here you can see one written. You need to click on this. When you are clicking on that, you can see that button in a green round. Now automatically deleting voice message is activated. After that, to send this message, click on send button. When you are clicking on that, that message will be sent. After this, if that person is opening this message and hearing, it will be automatically deleted after that. So this way you can easily send voice message in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.